Honorable President Sir, a very good morning. I am Dr. R. Vaidyanathan and I hail from Pondicherry. I belong to 2016 batch IAS of Tamil Nadu cadre. I completed my undergraduation from Pondicherry University in medicine. I worked as a residential medical officer in Delhi for 3.5 years. I completed my district training in Salem district, which is known for its industries and mangoes. During the period in district, I had an opportunity to gain exposure in diverse sectors such as public health, sanitation, urban planning, and law and order. I also had an experience to interact with the people in the district. These interactions helped me to understand their hardships and problems. On the other hand, various attachment of the different departments in the district enabled me to understand the constraints and challenges on the administrative side. This facilitated me to gain a new perspective of looking at issues. I believe it will help me in better service delivery and adopting good governance practice in the near future. At this juncture, I would like to highlight my experience during a dengue outbreak in the district. When I worked as a doctor in the Delhi, I had an experience of similar dengue outbreak. At the time, I looked at the issue from a narrow perspective and my primary focus was on curative aspect. But now as a civil servant, I had a holistic and comprehensive understanding of the problem and hence I was able to look at the both sides of the coin, that is preventive as well as a curative aspect. And it has been my privilege to address with Honorable President and I hereby express my sincere gratitude for providing this opportunity. Jai Hind.
Honorable President Sir, I hail from Manipur and have done my Master of Science in Physics from Delhi University. I have been allotted Manipur cadre in the IAS. We started our career with training at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Apart from imparting skills and knowledge required for a civil servant, the academy nurtured in each one of us the values of integrity, professionalism, moral courage, fairness, and empathy with the underprivileged. I received my first ever field training in Imphal East District of Manipur, where I served as Assistant Commissioner. It gave me the opportunity to see how a responsible officer can make a huge difference in the lives of the people. I have witnessed how implementation of various schemes of the central government, such as the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, etc., has brought about positive transformation. I also had the opportunity to be part of Go to Village mission introduced by the state government of Manipur in 2 remote villages there for taking administration to the villages and addressing their grievances instead of waiting for the villages to come to the district and subdivisional headquarters. I would also like to share some of the challenges faced by administration in Manipur, which include lack of basic infrastructure, lack of accessibility to many remote areas, and disturbance to law and order. Having completed my training, I now look forward to take charge as a responsible and dedicated officer, contributing to the efforts of the government in effective service delivery and development of our nation. Thank you, sir.